Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn how to identify whether a entered number is odd or even in Python. So let's start. So first thing, we will need to accept a number from the user. So let's create one variable, name the variable as number, and then we will accept the number from the user. So you need to provide a message input, and here you can say enter number, and we want the entered number to be a integer value, so that you can provide your integer int, and inside that you need to provide this message. So user will enter the number and you need to identify whether that number is odd or even. So what is the concept of odd number and even number? So a number is a even number when it is completely divisible by 2. Means let's say 4. So when 4 is divided by 2, we will get the remainder as 0. So here you can say 4 is a even number. So any number which is completely divisible by 2 is called as even number, and the number which is not divisible by 2, it is called as the odd number. So that condition we need to check. So here you can make use of if else statement. So first thing you need to provide here if. So if that entered number, so your entered number will be inside this variable number. So here you need to say number divided by 2 is equal to 0. Then in that case what you need to do, you need to print message that it is a even number. So here you can print the number, and here you can say is a even number, and if the number is not divisible by 2, then in that case you need to provide the message it is a odd number. So that will be inside the else statement. So here you need to print number is a odd number. So let's run this code. Let's see what output we get. So save this code, right click here, run odd even, that is the name of our Python file. So here we are getting message enter number. Let's enter a number 100 here. So 100 is divisible by 2, right? So we should get the output as 100 is a even number. So we are getting the correct output here. Let's rerun the code again to check some odd number. Let's say 75. So what we are getting here, 75 is a odd number. So in this way you can check whether an entered number is odd or even. And if I try to enter a number 0 here, if entered number is 0, so what output we will get in that case? So it is a even number because 0 divided by 2 will be 0, so program will be executed here. So here in print statement you can also make some changes. Let's say you don't want to enter in this way, you need to make use of format method. So how you can do this? So let me remove here for even number. So let's say you want to print the same message but in a different way. So here you can provide, instead of providing the number variable, you can provide your placeholder for a number. So if you provide your placeholder and say is a even number, and for this placeholder you need to provide the value. So here you need to say dot and then format, this is the method, and you need to pass that variable that you want to have in the placeholder value. So I will copy this variable name and paste it here. So let's see whether it's work fine or not. Rerun the code. So enter number, let's enter 90. So see, we are getting a 90 is a even number. So in that case the placeholder is replaced by the format number. You can also do the changes here. So that's it in this video. In this way you can check whether a number is odd or even. So we will see another codes in next video. Thank you for watching.